I welcome all of you in today's video. So we will synthesize our target molecule, this molecule from cyclohexanone today. So as we see our target molecule, we find that our cyclohexanone starting material is present here. And to this cyclohexanone, we have attached this part and a CH3 molecule. So we have to think of that how do we add a CH3 and this particular part to our cyclohexanone. So to attach a CH3 at this carbon, we can think of that we will use our Grignard reaction CH3 MgBr, and we will get a product like this. But to this product, it is very hard to attach this side of the part now. So therefore we have to think of another reaction in first place, and after that reaction we have to add a Grignard reaction. We have to add the CH3 molecule. Also, if we see the relation between this carbon and this carbon, there is a 1 2 3 4 5 1 5 relation. Therefore we can think of a Michael addition reaction here. So if we also to this carbon there is alpha attachment, so it is definitely a Michael addition reaction. We will disconnect this 2 3 bond from here and do a Michael addition using our enolate chemistry. Also, we have to use the enamine equivalent of the cyclohexanone, because otherwise if we directly use the enolate ion here, it will also show self-aldol reaction. Therefore, if we use a secondary amine in presence of this acid, we get a enamine like this enamine, and to this enamine, if it will react with our Michael acceptor, which is this, and this is our Michael acceptor, and after that if we do acidic workup, then we will get our product, this product. So using enamine chemistry, we first generate a enamine. That enamine attack on the fourth position of this Michael acceptor, and we will get this product. And after that, with the help of an acidic workup, this enamine remove and we get our carbonyl back. Now we will add a CH3 at this site using CH3 MgBr Grignard reaction, and we will not do workup here. Okay, so we have a CH3 here and OMgBr present here, and we have this. So we will reach to this product. So we do not do workup of this Grignard reaction. Now this oxygen will attack at this carbon, and this will go there, and again comes back, and this OET will leave, and we get our target molecule in this way. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.